Hello, welcome to another new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today I will discuss some more MCQs with the answers. Question number 1. Vials for collecting blood for glucose testing. Option A EDT, option B heparinized, option C fluoride. The right answer is option C fluoride. Question number 2. Sterilization should be done by option A hot plate, option B laminar airflow, option C sterilizer. The right answer is option C sterilizer. Question number 3. Chemicals useful in sample analysis should be placed in option A free air, option B refrigerator, option C hot air oven. The right answer is option A free air. Test results in chemical analysis should be checked option A once, option B twice, option C thrice. The right answer is option B twice. Question number 5. Specimen holding should be done in option A free hands, option B wearing gloves, option C by an aid. The right answer is option B wearing gloves. Question number 6. Acid should be placed in safe position because it is option A liquid, option B fumy, option C corrosive. The right answer is option C corrosive. Question number 7. It is necessary to inspect the availability of diagnostic kits in the laboratory. Option A urgency of the test and necessity, option B criticality of the test, and option C running lab smoothly. Here the right answer is option A urgency of the test and necessity. Next question. Retrieval of the old data should be done by option A making inventory or logbook, option B memorizing old records and option C passing information to others. The right answer is making inventory or logbook. Question number 9. Quality assurance is necessary because option A it creates mental satisfaction, option B name and fame in the diagnostic field, and option C credibility of the institution. The right answer is option C credibility of the institution. Question number 10. Electronic record keeping in the diagnostic field is essential because option A it gives free time to the lab workers, option B easy outcome and easy retrieval of the records, and option C it is money saving method. The right answer is option B easy outcome and easy retrieval of the records. Next question. What constitutes a sample? Option A any biological material taken from a patient for diagnostic, prognostic and therapeutic monitoring. Option B tissue include blood, urine, semen, etc. Option C A and B both, option D none of the above. The right answer is option C both A and B. Question number 2. Venous blood sampling collected by option A syringe, option B evacuate, option C hybrid, option D all. The right answer is option D all. Question number 3. Key components of pre-analytic testing include option A patient clinical presentation and sample transport, option B patient personal practices and sample collection, option C A and B both, option D none of these. The right answer is option C both A and B. Next question. Consideration of a change of part number of an existing tube by a vendor should be investigated to ensure option A no change in analytical performance. Option B, the tube still functions when placed on the automation system. Option C, the tube does not create any tissues with existing phlebotomy practices. Option D, all of the above. Next question, LIS traceability. The right answer for the last question is option D, all of the above. Next question, LIS traceability for pre-analytical processes should include the ability to, option A, retrieve verification and validation data for interfaces. Option B, dynamic change management process with sign off by all key stakeholders. Option C, test the entire cradle to give processes anytime there is a change. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option C, test the entire cradle to give process anytime there is a change. Question number 6. How are specimens transported to the laboratory? Option A, ensure all container lids are tightly secured before packaging. Option B, ensure specimens are labeled according to CLS protocol. Option C, always transport the specimen transport box in an upright position. And option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, laboratory sterilization method. Option A, moist heat. Option B, dry heat. Option C, gram staining. Option D, A and B. The right answer is option D, A and B. Next question, equipment for sputum sample. Option A, sterile swab. Option B, marker pen. Option C, clean water for oral ins. And option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, sterilization technique used for rubber gloves in laboratory. Option A, autoclaving. Option B, ethylene oxide, ETO. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none. The right answer is ETO. Ethylene oxide is used only for the sterilization of rubber gloves. Next question, tool used for sample analysis in laboratory. Option A, reagents. Option B, primary measuring equipment. Option C, analytical apparatus. And option D, all. The right answer is option D, all. Question number 21. Infection rate is highest for laboratory professional exposed to blood and body fluid. Option A, HIV. Option B, HPV. Option C, HCV. And option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, hepatitis V virus or HPV. Question number 22. A benchtop contaminated with HIV should be decontaminated by option A, hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Option B, chlorine. Option C, sodium hypochlorite. And option D, formalin. The right answer is option C, sodium hypochlorite. Question number 23. Transfer of image and data of pathology to distant location is called. Option A, telecommunication. Option B, teletransfer. Option C, telepathology. Option D, telemarketing. The right answer is option C, telepathology, as it is related to pathology, data and images of pathology. That's why telepathology. Question number 24. Telepathology is used for option A, diagnosis. Option B, research. Option C, education. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. It is used for diagnosis, research, education, for every purpose. Question number 25. OSHA is Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Option B, Operational Safety and Health Association. Option C, Operational Safety and Health Administration. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Question number 26. Which of the following is carcinogenic? Option A, potassium chloride. Option B, sodium hydroxide. Option C, ethyl alcohol. Option D, formaldehyde. The right answer is option D, formaldehyde. Question number 27. Backtech method is the method of automation of Option A, biochemistry. Option B, histopathology. Option C, immunology. And option D, microbiology. The right answer is option D. BACTEC is used for microbiology. Next question 28. Histogram graphical representation is specific for option A, shape, option B, size, option C, volume, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 29. In automated blood culture system, culture bottles are monitored at an interval of option A, 5 minutes, option B, 10 minutes, option C, 1 hour, option D, 1 day. The right answer is option B, 10 minutes. Question number 30. Molecular diagnosis detect option A, DNA variation, option B, RNA variation, option C, protein variation, and option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 31. Ultrasonic decalcification promote rapid destruction of option A, crystalline structure, option B, amorphous structure, option C, none of these, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option A, crystalline structure. Question number 32. In ultramicrotomy, the microtome combined with option A, monocular microscope, option B, binocular microscope, option C, electron microscope, option D, phase contrast microscope. The right answer is option B, binocular microscope. Question number 33. In ultramicrotomy, knife is made up of option A, glass, option B, gold, option C, silver, and option D, glass and diamond. The right answer is option D, glass and diamond. Question number 34. In ultramicrotomy, tissue thickness is measured in option A, nanometer, option B, picometer, option C, centimeter, option D, micrometer. The right answer is option A, nanometer. Question number 35. For amplification of RNA, which of the following is used? Option A, PCR, option B, RT-PCR, option C, Western blot, option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, RT-PCR, or reverse transcriptase PCR. Question number 36. BACTEC method is based on option A, volumetry, option B, molecular complexity, option C, colorimetry, and option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, colorimetry. Question number 37. VITEC automated system used on option A, growth, option B, identification, option C, microbial sensitivity to antibiotic, option D, both B and C. The right answer is option D, both B and C, because VITEC system is used to identify bacteria. Different kinds of bacteria is identified by VITEC, and the sensitivity, antimicrobial or antibiotic sensitivity can be judged by this method. So option D, or the last option, is the correct option. Question number 38. Automation means option A, getting work done by machine, option B, machine with intelligence, option C, both of these, option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, both of these. Number 39. Benefits of automation are option A, increase team along with time, option B, reduce workload, option C, improve reproducibility, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 40. Example of automation in sample collection is option A, vacuum thinner, option B, robotic system, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, that means both A and B. Question number 41. All implements used in the laboratory and which can break the skin are referred to as option A, sharps, option B, syringes, option C, pastur pipette, and option D, none of these. The right option is option B, syringes. Next question. Laboratory waste. Option A, lab equipment used to collect or test specimens, cultures, or other material which may contain infectious pathogen. Option B, disposable plastics such as pipettes, pipette tips, culture plates, microplates, test tubes, etc., which has been used to test sample material. Option C, all of these. Option D, none of these. The right answer is option B. Option B, that is disposable plastics such as pipettes, pipette tips, culture plate, microplate, test tube, etc. Question number 43. Key components of post-analytical testing include option A, patient clinical presentation and sample transport. Option B, patient personal practices and sample collection. Option C, both A and B. Option D, sample disinfection and report delivery. The right answer is option D, sample disinfection and report delivery. Question number 44. The laboratory must keep a record of all results and it should contain option A, patient's identification, option B, type of specimen, option C, type of test done, and option D, all. The right answer is option D, all. Question number 45. To ensure the validity and accuracy of the test results, the following points should be taken into consideration. Option A, experienced member of medical laboratory professional must check all laboratory results before dispatching them to respective departments or units. Option B, any unexpected result should be investigated and repeated if necessary. Option C, all possible reference values, that means normal ranges, should be included in the reports. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 46. Selection criteria for laboratory equipment. Option A, why and how will the equipment be used? Option B, will the cost of the equipment be within the laboratory's budget? Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 47. A paper or electronic document on which information or result are captured is called option A, record, option B, form, option C, flowchart, option D, document. The right answer is option D, record. Option A, record. Question number 48. Sequential processes in pre-examination, examination and post-examination clinical laboratory activities are called option A, flowchart, option B, path of workflow, option C, organizational chart, and option D, normative document. The right answer is option D, normative document. Question number 49. Document starting results achieved or providing evidence of activities performed is called option A, chart, option B, record, option C, worksheet, option D, form. The right answer is option B, record. Question number 50. Determination of one or more characteristics according to a procedure is defined as option A, test, option B, quality control, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. The right answer is option A, test. This is the end of today's session. Thank you.